next topic in your NCERT content, conductance of electrolytic solutions. Okay, here what are the terms we are using in electrochemistry? Okay, that is first one, resistance. The electrical resistance of an electrical conductor is defined as opposition to the passage of electric current through the conductor. Okay, so this R means resistant, directly proportional to the length of the conductor and inversely proportional to the area of the cross section of the conductor. Okay, so if we increase the length of the conductor, the resistance is direct proportional. Okay, increases, this is decreases, shorten the area of the cross section. Okay, right, this R means resistance, it equal to the rho means specific resistance or resistivity. Okay, so after that we are coming next we have to learn that rho, that is L by A. L means length of the conductor and A, area of the cross section. Okay, so the resistance, its unit is ohm. Okay, right, next one, resistivity. It is the resistance of the conductor that is 1 meter long and 1 meter squared in cross section area. Okay, this rho means specific resistance or resistivity. It is equal to the resistance. Okay, so the resistance would be in A by L means area of the cross section, L means that is length of the conductor. Okay, so it would be in A, it is 1 meter squared. Okay, and L, it is in 1 meter. Okay, right, the next one, conductance. It is the inverse of resistance. What is resistance? R. So inverse of resistance means 1 by R. It expressed in term of G. Okay, so G equal to 1 by R. Its unit is ohm per ohm. Okay, next, conductivity. Okay, it is inverse of resistivity, so it expressed by kappa. Okay, kappa related to this rho means that resistivity is related to resistance. Okay, into L by A. Okay, so already we knew that L is the length of the electrode, this is in 1 meter, and the area of the cross sections. Okay, so the resistance directly proportional to the length and inversely proportional to the area of the cross sections. So simply K equal to G into L by A. This G means that is conductance. Okay, so conductivity may be defined as the conductance of a material of, this material means the substance. Okay, so material of 1 meter length and having 1 meter squared as the area of cross section. Okay, so conductivity equal to conductance into L by A, that is cell constant. Because of this conductivity means, suppose இப்போ 2 half cell இருக்கு அப்படினோன்னா, அந்த half cell வந்து என்னது, அந்த 2 electrodes dipped into their solutions. So அந்த electrodeோட the length, and it depends upon the electrode length and the area of cross section between these 2 electrodes, that is L by A. So this L by A is a negligible cell constant. It is a proportionality constant or cell constant. Okay, so this K means conductivity in, that is equal to G means conductance into this L by A is a cell constant. Okay, right, this unit is per ohm. This length we can measure centimeter, and this area is centimeter squared. So centimeter cancel. So finally we can get unit equal to per ohm per centimeter. That's all. Okay, molar conductivity. So here molar conductivity means it depends upon the conductivity and the solutions. Okay, conductivity and the solutions, that is volume. இப்போ 2 half cells அப்படினோன்னா, இப்போ zinc rod dipped into their zinc sulfate solutions and copper rod dipped into their copper sulfate solutions. So the distance between these 2 rod, so this is 1 meter length. Okay, and the area of cross section between these 2 electrode 1 meter squared. Okay, that is L by A, cell constant. And so the conductance, இப்போ two different electrodes that the same solvent but different electrolytic solutions. அப்போ ஒரு molar concentration solution la how much number of ions produce and the conductivity takes place. அதுதான் வந்து என்னது so the molar conductivity it depends with the volume of the solutions. Volume of the solution means this here the concentration of the electrolyte. Okay, right. So it represented by lambda m. Usually the definition for molar conductivity is the conductance of a volume of solution containing 1 mole of dissolved electrolyte when placed between two parallel electrodes and 1 centimeter apart and large enough to contain between them all the solutions. Okay, so this is a definitions. It is represented by lambda m. Okay, molar conductivity represented by lambda m. Lambda m equal to this K for conductivity. So conductivity expressed in concentration of the electrolytic solutions. Okay, so the unit of lambda m equal to per ohm centimeter square per mole. Okay. Exercise 3.4. Resistance of a conductivity cell filled with 0.1 mole per liter. KCl solution is 100 ohm. If the resistance of the same cell when filled with 0.02 mole per liter, KCl solution is 520 ohm. Calculate the conductivity and molar conductivity of 0.02 mole per liter. Okay, so mole per liter of KCl solutions. The conductivity of 0.1 mole per liter KCl solution is 1.29 second per meter. Okay, right. Here you see the conductivity cell KCl வந்து எவ்வளோ 0.1 மோலார் கான்சன்ட்ரேஷனுக்கு வந்து நமக்கு எவ்வளோ கிடச்சிருக்கு 100 ஓம்ஸ் கிடச்சிருக்கு. அதே இது the same செல்ல 0.02 மோலார் கான்சன்ட்ரேஷனுக்கு KCl சொல்யூஷனுக்கு 520 ஓம் கிடைக்குது. ஸோ இதுதான் வந்து என்னது மோலார் conductivity சொல்கிறோம். Okay, changes. Okay, for this concentration 100 ohms, for 0.02 concentration 520. So ask you to calculate the conductivity and molar conductivity of 0.02. Okay, the given is 0.1 molar concentration ku ivlo, ask you to 0.02. Okay, right. So according to this above data, conductivity of 0.1 mole per liter KCl solution equal to 1.29 second per meter. Okay, so cell constant G வந்து என்னன்னா L by A. L means what? Length of the conductor by A, area of the cross section. Okay, so cell constant equal to conductivity into resistance. Okay, so conductivity already given. Okay, 0.1 க்கு எவ்வளவு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க 1.29. So 1.29 second per meter into 100 ohm. இவ்வளவுக்கு 100 ohm. Okay, resistance 100 ohm. So 120 per meter. Okay, conductivity of, now we are going to calculate 0.02 mole per liter KCl solution. Okay, so that is conductivity. This is formula. Conductivity equal to cell constant by resistance. Okay, cell constant how much? 129 per meter by 520 ohm. Okay, right. For resistance 0.02 க்கு 520 ohm. Okay, so that is 0.248 second per meter. Okay, so the concentration of the solutions for 0.02 mole per liter. இதில் இங்கே நமக்கு லிட்டரில் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, அதை நம்ம இதுக்கு மீட்டருக்கு என்ன செஞ்சுருக்கோம் கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணுறோம். அப்போ மீட்டர் கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணுறப்ப இதை வந்து என்ன பண்ணுறோம் மல்டிப்ளை பை 1000. இப்போ 1000 into 0.02 we can get 20 mole meter cube. Okay, right. So this molar conductivity lambda m equal to K by C. K means conductivity. Okay, conductivity is how much? The whole number எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம்னா 248 into 10 power minus 3 second per meter by this is 20 mole. Okay, then meter power minus 3. Okay, the simplifications we can get 124 into 10 power minus 4 second meter square and per mole. Okay, the next sum, the resistance of 0.01 molar NaCl solution at 25 degrees centigrade is 200 ohm. The cell constant of conductivity cell is unity, that means 1. L by A value is 1. Calculate the molar conductance lambda m. Okay, so write the given data. Resistance equal to 200 ohm and cell constant L by A equal to 1. Okay, it become unity. Okay, so molar concentration of sodium chloride is 0.01 molar concentration. Okay, so this is one formula, that is K. K means what? Conductivity. Kappa conductivity equal to G into L by A. This G, it represents, this is a conductance. Okay, and so kappa equal to conductivity. Kappa means conductivity equal to the conductance. We knew that already, that is the inverse of resistance. Okay, 1 by R. Okay, into L by A. Okay, so here 1 by the R value is given, that is resistivity is 200 ohm into the L by A value is unity, it become unity, so 1. Okay, 1 by 200 into 1 equal to 1 by 200. Okay, then lambda m, that is molar conductance equal to K into 1000 by molarity, because here the molar concentration is given. The molar conductivity depends upon the concentration. Concentration means number of moles of ions dissolved with volume of the solutions. Okay, 1000 ml. So that we have to take K into 1000 by molarity. Okay, so lambda m equal to K, already we knew that 1 by 200 into 1000 by how much molarity, molar solutions given? 0.01. Okay, so that is 500 second centimeter square per mole. Okay, so all the formulas you have to memory, then like the sums, it is that very easy.